All right, I'm back. I'm going to talk a little bit about this Doggie Dooley I installed the other day. I didn't mention when I was doing the video initially that the kit, the Doggie Dooley, comes with the waste terminator tablets. And you're supposed to, when you start off, you drop 2 of these in there, and the enzymes start, multiplying real rapidly. And the tablet kind of looks like that. So, and then it also comes with the waste terminator granules, which is it's a super digester. So anyway, I'll show you what you're supposed to do. So you're supposed to dump a gallon of water in there every time you use this. As you can see, I've got a couple of days, about 3 days worth of dog poo going on in there. And anyway, you take the tablet like that and you just drop it in there, and then you just add your, I've been adding hot tap water to it. You're supposed to pour a gallon of that on top of the 5 gallons that's already in there, and you can see it going down the tube there. And then there's one floater there. It's still breaking down, I guess. So anyway, just thought I'd let you guys see how this thing operates, and that's it. No smell, so that's the awesome thing about it. Hope you guys enjoy.